Students, we will carry forward today exercise 9.1 and the topic is height and distance. In my last segment I just explained you about angle of elevation and angle of derivation in terms of right angle triangle. That is, the object is lying above the horizontal level, it is angle of elevation, and the object is lying below the horizontal level, it is what? Angle of depression. So now we will do some applications, that is the numericals based on this. So let's start exercise 9.1 today. See, question is given. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So we can see that it is the vertical pole, and if AB represents the vertical pole, and this is what the long rope which is tied along with the ground to the bottom of the pole, and it is what? 20 meters. So find the height of the pole. Okay, where to find the height? If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Clear? Where to find what? Height of the pole means where to find height of AB. If the angle made is what? 30 degree. So let's do the solution now. In solution we will write, in triangle ABC, AC represents the rope and AB is the height of tower or height of pole, sorry. It is what? Vertical pole. Mention the things what you know, because at least everything should be confirmed to you. So AC is equal to 20 meter and AB is what? Our requirement. Now we have to go for that cosine function which gives what? The ratio of opposite upon hypotenuse, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we know that sin 30, mention here in triangle ABC, sin 30 is equal to, it is AB upon AC. See, it is AB upon AC. So what is the value of sin 30? It is 1 by 2. AB we don't know, and AC is what? 20. So cross multiplication will give us 20 is equal to 2AB. So 2 10 jar. So AB is equal to 10 meters. That is our requirement. So we will write, therefore the height of vertical pole is 10 meter. Clear? So see how simply we can solve the question. Concept is, if it is not stated, always select angle of elevation, that is object lies above the horizontal level. You can see this one is the horizontal level and this is what? The ray of sight in terms of concept, but here it is what? Long rope, and this is what? The distance from the ground to the rope. Clear? So this is the way to solve the numerical. Now let's go for the second question. It is also very easy. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree. Means, suppose this is what? A whole tree, and due to storm it is breakdown. So what we can say that this is the unbroken part and this is the broken part of the tree. Clear? And this broken part touches the ground at an angle of 30 degree. Clear? The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches is 8 meter. So touching position of foot of the tree and the top of the tree is what? 8 meter. We have to find the height of tree. Height of the tree means this is the unbroken part and this is a broken part. We have to find both broken and unbroken part. So let's sketch it in terms of ray diagram. So suppose AB is the unbroken part of the tree and AC is the broken part, and the distance between B and C, that is from the foot of the tree, the broken part touches up to distance of 8 meter having an angle of 30 degree. So total height of the tree means what? It is the sum of AB plus AC will give us what? Total height of the tree. That thing is clear. So we will indicate what we draw. You can see the whole tree as it is breaking down. It is the unbroken part, and this one is the broken part, touches the ground at angle of 30 degree. So touches at something distance of 8 meter. So now in triangle ABC, solution. In triangle ABC, angle C is 30. Right here AB represents unbroken part, while AC represents broken part. So the sum of AB and AC will give us the total length of the tree. So we will start to solve the value of AB and AC. So first of all, I am going to select tan 30. I will write here, since in triangle ABC, tan 30. Tan 30 is what? Perpendicular upon base. So I will write here AB upon BC. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AB is unknown and the value of BC is 8. So I got AB simply as 8 by root 3 meter. Clear? Solving this. AB as 8 by root 3 meter. Now I will go for AC. So for AC what I need? I need cos 30. Cos 30 is what? BC upon AC. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It is 8 by AC. So AC is what? 8 to the 16, 16 by root 3. So we got the length of AB and AC. So therefore total height of the tree, total height of the tree, it is AB plus AC, 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, it is equal to 24 by root 3. So let's rationalize it. 24 by root 3 into root 3 root 3. 24 root 3 upon 3, 3 8 ja 24. Therefore total height of tree is equal to 8 root 3 meter. Clear? So that is our clear answer. You can see the solution once again. 24 by root 3, I will rationalize it, that is multiplying numerator denominator by root 3 and root 3. So this will be our answer, 8 root 3 meter. Okay. Clear? So dear friends, whenever we are going for the conceptual question, just try to draw the diagram, write down each and every part, representation. This makes a very clear concept and good look, good view, good impact on your answer. Clear? And don't forget to write unit also. Clear? So it is a total completion of the solution when we are doing all these parts. Sure. So let's move for the third question. See what is the third question is. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prepared to a slide whose top is height 1.5 meter. So for below 5 years, okay, slide of height 1.5. Okay, and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Okay, and inclination is given as of angle 30 degree for below 5 years. And for the children, whereas for the elder children, she wants a steep slide at height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So this is what steep slide height is given as. Height is a little bit double, that is 3 meter, and now inclination is given as 60 degree for elder children. What should be the length of slide in each case? We have to find the length of each slide. Clear? This is for the below 5 year children and this is for the elder children. So let's put the name ABC, and it is P, Q and R. So what we'll do, we'll write first condition, length of slide below 5 years children. It is in triangle ABC. AB is equal to 1.5 and we have to find what? AC. That is what? Length of the slide. So we have sin 30 is equal to AB upon AC. That we all know. We will use what? Sin 30. So the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, AB 1.5 and AC. Therefore AC is equal to 2 into 1.5, it is equal to 3 meters. Okay. So for below 5 year children, the length of the slide is what? 3 meters. Okay. And second part, length of slide for elder children, elder ones. So for elder children we have in triangle ABC, it is given as PQ is equal to 3 meter and we don't know PR. That is PR is what? Length of the slide. Length of slide. So once again, sin 60 is equal to PQ upon PR. Can you see here? Sin 60 is PQ upon PR. So the value of sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 and the length of PQ is 3 upon PR. Therefore PR root 3 is equal to 6. So PR is equal to 6 by root 3. We have to rationalize it compulsorily. It is 6 by root 3 upon 3. 3 to jar 6. It is 2 root 3 meters. Clear? So this is what the length of slide for the elder children. Clear? So dear students, by this way we have to solve the question. So see now, question number 4 and 5. Okay, I am mentioning here. Question number 4 and 5 is what? Assignment. In my next segment, I will start from question number 6. Okay, so keep on learning, keep on maintaining your notebook, be clear with the concept. Okay, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself.